Hey guys, this video will show you how to install Cura. Cura is the software that is used to control the 3D printer. So after you make your 3D models in Autodesk Inventor, you will then use Cura to prepare those models for printing. So first just type in Cura lulzbot here and go to the first link. Here's the website. You can scroll down until you see these icons here. Now, most of you are probably using Windows, maybe some of you are using Mac. I have Windows, so if you as well, click on Windows. And it will bring you to this page here. Okay, the first thing you need to do is to download the installer. So click this and click on Cura lulzbot Edition Windows. And the download will start as you see here. So just wait for this file to finish downloading, and when it finishes downloading, just double click on that file. Okay, now that the file has finished downloading, just double click here and it will open. Now when this pops up, just click next, and I agree, next, next, install. Now wait for it to finish installing. Okay, now that the installer has completed, click Finish. And if you minimize any other windows here, you should see the Cura icon pop up and it will begin to open. So you will see the Cura icon like this that will stay there until it opens. Okay, you'll see the user agreement pop up. Click I understand and agree. Now you want to add our printer. Our printer is the lulzbot TAS 6, so scroll down and this is the printer you'll select. Click Add Printer. And the machine settings will come up. Don't change anything, just click Finish. Alright, now this is a model that's by default added into the software. You will not create an octopus, but we will create models using Autodesk Inventor, and then we'll load them into here so that we can print them. Before you finish the process, you do need to change some settings here. One setting you need to change is, instead of under the material here, you need to set the material as Polylight PLA. Polylight PLA. And your profile should be on standard. Maybe yours is on high detail or high speed. You should set the profile to standard here. And those are the main settings that we'll use. Polylight PLA for the material and a standard printing profile. And that's it. So you've successfully installed Cura. The last thing I'll do is right click on the icon just to pin this to the taskbar so that it always shows up down here. You're finished. Thanks for watching the video. You can close it, and now you have Cura installed.